In Jeremiah 17, verse 14, the prophet prays, "Heal me, Lord, and I will be healed. Save me, and I will be saved. For you are the one I praise." The Hebrew word for heal is rapha. It means to restore, to make whole, to mend what is broken. And it's not just physical healing, it's emotional, spiritual, and even relational wholeness. And notice Jeremiah's confidence. He doesn't say, "Heal me, Lord, and I might feel better." He says, "Heal me, and I will be healed." It's an unshakable trust in God's ability to do what no one else can. And we try all kinds of substitutes for healing, don't we? We read self-help books, we vent to friends, we push down the pain and stay busy. But at some point, we run into the truth. Our deepest wounds require God's touch. So how do we cultivate a higher capacity for trusting His healing work? Jeremiah shows us. Praise Him while you're asking. For you are the one I praise. It's a posture that says, "God, I know you're the healer," before the healing even comes. Cultivating that kind of faith starts with remembering His track record in your life. Think about the times He's pulled you through before. Let those memories renew your trust that He can do it again. Identify the place in your life that needs healing today. Bring it to Him with the confidence of Jeremiah and allow the Spirit of God to mend, restore, and make you whole again.